The High Court has upheld the conviction and dismissed the appeal of armed robber Michael Fowler. Fowler was hoping the court would overturn his conviction and 20-year sentence for robbing a business establishment back in November of 2005. During today's proceedings, he suggested his case was one of mistaken identity, arguing the two prosecution witnesses were wrong when they identified him as the man who committed the crime. Fowler also stressed that the judge allowed hearsay evidence during the trial. In the end, the court agreed that the judge misdirected the jury by telling them they could convict Fowler if they were satisfied he looked like the man who committed the crime, rather than telling them the Crown had to prove Fowler was the armed robber. Director of Public Prosecution's Vanette Graham-Allen agreed that the judge misdirected the jury. However, she asked the court not to interfere with the conviction due to the overwhelming evidence against Fowler. The court then dismissed Fowler's appeal and affirmed his conviction, citing the overwhelming evidence against him. Fowler was convicted back in September of 2008. He'll now continue to serve that 20-year sentence at Fox Hill Prison. A Supreme Court judge has set a new trial date in the murder case of contractor Prince Hepburn, who is charged with the April 7th stabbing death of 42-year-old Nellie Mae Brown Cox last April. Hepburn's trial was scheduled to start back in August before Justice Indira Charles, but was postponed because Justice Charles is currently presiding over the John Bull armed robbery trial, which has been going on for 4 months now. 49-year-old Hepburn is accused of stabbing Cox multiple times about the body following a domestic dispute at her Bougainvillea Boulevard apartment. She died at the scene. Meantime, prosecutors are expected to begin their opening statements to a jury February 20th of next year. Attorney Murillo Ducil is defending Hepburn.